Hi, I'm Gabe Abrams, Principal Software Engineer and EdTech Innovator. On this proposal, I'm joined by Rachel the Executive Director of Teaching and Learning at Harvard's Division of Continuing Education. We support online and HyFlex courses at scale, and we've discovered a persistent challenge that's extraordinarily difficult to tackle. That is, building learning community that's meaningful, lasting, and impactful. I've seen this challenge called so many different things: asynchronous student loneliness, the challenge of facilitating long lasting online peer networks, and the loss of community and belonging in online spaces. So, in this proposed workshop, we aim to tackle those problems head on, turning those challenges into concrete opportunities for building human centered community and connection. Our workshop is structured into 4 key sections. Each is focused on applied instructional design, and each section has integrated activities and participation and engagement. First, we'll introduce the research challenge, building learning community and online and HyFlex courses. And we'll introduce specific instructional design strategies for building community. Our activity for this section will be a live pulse survey where participants will share the state of learning community in their own schools. Second, we'll demo what those instructional design strategies look like in practice as part of our immersive classroom, a custom-built, human-centered platform that facilitates just-in-time peer connection. We'll demo an integrated chat feature, a human-centered AI tool that bolsters engagement without replacing human connection, and a tool that connects asynchronous students with peers through just-in-time small group generation. Participants will partake in a hands-on experience where they will pose as students and try out community building features in that immersive classroom. Third, we'll share methodologies for measuring the impact of instructional design strategies on learning community and share the status of our own implementation. And then we'll save the largest block of time for our 4th section, a design activity where participants will choose just one instructional design strategy to apply to their own program, and will plan out specific interventions and implementation plans for building learning community in their courses. We'll wrap up with a share-out activity across the entire workshop and a recap along with a 1-page take-home summary of strategies and methodologies. Ultimately, our goal is to turn loneliness and disconnection into engagement and lasting community through human-centered tech. I'll end with a teaser video for our custom-built human-centered platform that facilitates just-in-time peer connection, the immersive classroom.
The Immersive Classroom is a supercharged course video player that lets asynchronous students participate in discussions and activities that happened in the live class. With the Immersive Classroom, instructors teach in a brick-and-mortar classroom or over Zoom, just like they normally do. Then, they turn to the camera and invite their asynchronous students to join in as well.
And we also have another group of folks who are asynchronous, who are participating on their own time. So hello to everybody who is asynchronous. For those of you who are here live, if you could just type hello into the Zoom chat. Asynchronous folks, use that Zoom Chat Plus feature and say hello back.
Zoom Chat Plus captures the Zoom chat from the live class and allows asynchronous students to contribute to the conversation. Co-watching alerts let students know when others are watching the video at the same time, so they can live message with each other. Our Respond, Pair Up, and Poll features allow asynchronous students to participate in class activities, all without any preparation by the instructor. Instead of spending months designing and developing asynchronous courses, the Immersive Classroom auto-generates asynchronous activities.
Those of you who are here on Zoom, I'm going to send you out into breakouts now. Those of you who are participating asynchronously, what I want you to do is hit that pair up button at the bottom of the screen. What's going to happen is you'll type your initial thoughts into the box that you'll see, and then immediately you're going to be paired up with 2 of your classmates' responses. Hit that poll button down at the bottom of the screen and take the poll.
Instructors close the loop by incorporating a few asynchronous responses from the previous class into the next class. This can make a huge difference in making asynchronous students feel like their work is seen and valued.
We had a lot of really great responses come in through the Immersive Classroom last week, so I just want to highlight a few things from our asynchronous students. I'm going to put them up on the screen now so you have a chance to read them, and then we can talk about them a little bit.
With these features, asynchronous course design happens in real time. Instructors can adapt their courses to the changing world we live in, and students are valued no matter how they participate, bringing students together into one course community.
Thanks for your consideration and have a lovely day.